Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Zoho Bigin CRM, which is a customer relationship management tool that is designed for small businesses like you. So if you are thinking about using it, you can just check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and details. So first, Zoho Bigin is a simple and affordable CRM that is built for small businesses that actually need an easy way to track the leads, manage customers, and organizing the workflows. Unlike the complicated CRMs that actually require a long setup process, Bigin is designed to get you up and running in a minutes. Now, here, if I talk about its pros, so you can see by clicking on this pricing option, it is quite cost effective. So, if you are on a budget, Bigin is a great option for you. It offers a free trial and the affordable pricing plans, making it an excellent choice for small businesses. The second thing that I like about this platform is its user-friendly interface. So here you don't need any technical expertise to use Beijing. You need to simply set it up quickly with the help of your email, and the interface is also very easy to navigate so that you can start managing your leads and your customers right away. The next thing that I like about this platform is the customization features that it actually offers. So Bijin allows you to create multiple pipelines to manage different aspects of your business, giving you the flexibility to organize everything the way you need. So here, if I talk about the cons, so it has very limited advanced features. So if you need in-depth automation, complex reporting, or the advanced AI powered tools, Bijin might feel a bit basic as your business grows. And the second thing that you need to consider is the integration constraints. While Bijin works well with other Zoho application and the third party tools, its integration options are not as extensive as some other CRMs. In a final verdict, I would like to say that if you are a small business owner and who is looking for a simple, affordable, and easy to use CRM, undoubtedly Zoho Bigin is a solid choice. It will help you to stay organized without any overwhelming or without overwhelming you with the unnecessary features. However, if you plan to scale quickly and if you need more advanced capabilities, you may outgrow it and you need a robust CRM later on. But as a beginner, in order to start a starting point, you can definitely use it. And in order to use it, you can just check out the link in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.